Hello everyone! Today I am going to guide you how to add cars in GTA San Andreas. The first thing that you can do is to use a reliable tool for this. And this is the San Andreas Mod Installer, or also known as SAMI. Once you already have this mod installer, find the car you want to add from a modding website like GTA Inside, Nexus Mods, or GTA All, and then launch San Andreas Mod Installer. From here, look for the cars that you want to change using the mod that you have. It is highly recommended that you only replace cars with cars, planes with planes, boats with boats, and so on. Otherwise, the game may crash. Once you have set up the custom vehicle name and the vehicle to replace, use the Browse button in the mod installer to locate the mod or RAR file of the car mod you downloaded. Lastly, you'll need to select which car you want the new one to replace. For example, the Sultan, Flash, or LG. Then install your mod.